In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change gender in Pokemon Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have been playing Pokemon Go and you noticed that there was an update last month and you logged in with your character, you notice that the gender was swapped or you don't like how your body looks. This is because an update was rolled out for everyone that actually moved the game away from gendered avatars. I know a lot of people are unsatisfied with this update, however, it is not the focus of this video, and in this video I'm gonna simply go over the options that you have to change genders. Because you don't have the option to choose genders anymore inside of Pokemon Go, what you can do is browse through various body types, face types, and you can even access sliders that will let you customize every single aspect about your body. Like I said, all that I'm gonna do in this video is show you how to access these sliders, and I don't want to initiate discussion on if this is good or bad. You should send your feedback to the Pokemon Go or Niantic team. Regardless, just open up the app, go over to your profile page, and in there you will be able to tap Style. Inside of the Style window, you will have plenty of options, usually related to your outfit, but if you go over to the first one, in Appearance, you will be able to modify your body. So you have four main options: hair, face, eyes, and body. The two that you will spend the most amount of time in are going to be face, because you have plenty of face types to go through, and then most importantly the body. So if you notice that you don't like the new body that your character acquired after the update, just go over to that window and browse through all of the bodies. You will be able to find one that satisfies you. If you go down all the way to the bottom, one of the options is going to be custom, and these are the sliders that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So you will be able to modify your weight, the muscle that you have, the shoulders, the chest, and other options. Like I said, the purpose of this video is not to spread discussion on if this is a good or bad update. It's simply to answer the question in the title of this video on how to change genders in Pokemon Go after the latest update. I hope I was able to help you on how to change gender in Pokemon Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.